Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to view, see or read deleted WhatsApp messages without any app. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now, first and foremost, I need to head over to your settings section, tap on settings, and I need to tap on notifications. As you can see, here's my notifications. So now tap on notification history. Okay, this will look different depending on your phone interface, okay, how it's arranged. So now toggle on this notification, use notification history on, toggle it on. Okay, so now as you can see, you can go back. Then, like, if you toggle it on, if you come back, so if you just come back after a while or some seconds or minutes, you'll be able to see messages, your WhatsApp notification history. Okay, so as you can see over here, these messages, I just sent it now from my main account and deleted it. But as you can see, the message is here, hi, I deleted it, but the message is here. So as you can see, that's just the secret. You don't need like WhatsApp, external WhatsApp app, WhatsApp this, WhatsApp that to view messages. As easy as this, you'll be seeing with deleted WhatsApp messages on your phone. Okay, so once the person just send it, you will just store here. If like the person delete it, you see it here. Okay, so guys, that's how to see, view or read deleted WhatsApp messages without any app. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, once again, I will appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.